Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link categories in Showit. All right. So for example, maybe I'm just going to go ahead and grab random photos in here. Okay. Like that. And then this one at the back. Maybe like that. Just two examples. Okay. 1 and 2. So for example, we have added some text in here, like a title. Okay. Maybe I'd add it as watch. Okay. Let's go ahead and make it smaller, maybe 50, like so. Watch. And then maybe this one is chair. Okay. So to add a category, for example, for the watch, click on the text. Okay. Now go ahead and click actions. And here we have the type. Make sure that you use URL. Okay. Then once done, go ahead and type in the URL /category. Okay. /watch. All right. Once that's done, you could go ahead and do that with the photo as well. Type URL /category /watch. Okay. Now in here, for example, chair. Let's go ahead and add in maybe a 2-word in here. Chair or dark chair. Okay. Just like that. Okay. Click on it. Now under type, we have URL as well. /category / since it's 2 words, you can go ahead and add in dark -chair. Okay. Do the same with the photo. URL /category /dark chair. All right. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go to your WordPress WP admin. Okay. Now go to your post. In here, just hover your mouse onto post. Now click on categories. Okay. Add in a category. Okay. As you might remember, we have watch. Add category. Add in dark chair without hyphen. Because when you hit on add category right here, it will just automatically add in the hyphen. Right here, the slug. All right. And once that's done, just go ahead over to your post, all post, and then just click on the post itself. Okay. You have quick edit, and here you have your categories. You can go ahead and select one or all. Do the same with some of your posts. And if you are using the classic view or classic editor right here, you can go ahead and click on the post itself. And in the right pane, you will have the option to change the category. And that is it. Don't forget to hit on apply in here. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.